Hello students, if you are not willing to learn, nobody can make you learn. And if you are determined to learn, nobody can stop you from learning what you have decided. So most important thing in the process of learning is your will to learn. With this, we are going to move on to the today's topic, and we are going to study in this class of ours how to get or how to form or how to make a cubic polynomial once we are given with its zeros. Suppose alpha, beta and gamma. These are the zeros of a cubic polynomial, and a cubic polynomial can at the most have three zeros. We have all the three of them. Now if I want to form or I want to obtain that polynomial of which these are the zeros, then we have seen it in the class when we were discussing the quadratic polynomial. There if the zero is subtracted from the variable, then we get a factor of a polynomial. So here all the three, if I write like this, x minus alpha, x minus beta, and if I write x minus gamma, these if are the zeros, these will be the factors. And if I multiply these factors, then I am going to get the polynomial. Let me say this is the polynomial in fx, and let me also write, let k be a constant. K be a constant. So we will get a polynomial. I can write using px. Let this be px, k into the three factors. Factors are obtained after subtracting the zeros from the variable. Now I will get this polynomial. So for that we have to multiply. So I will write k here, and if I write like this, first I will multiply these two. So that will come out to be x square minus alpha plus beta into x, and then I can write it like this, minus alpha plus beta and plus alpha beta, and then x minus gamma. So this is product of these two, x square minus alpha plus beta into x and plus alpha beta and into x minus gamma. Now if I multiply, this k is multiplying all the terms. Now I can write it like this k, and if I multiply this term with the product of the first two, that will come out to be x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x and minus alpha beta and gamma, and k is multiplying all the terms now. K is multiplying all the terms. This was the product of 2, that was the third term. When the third term is multiplied with the product of 3, we get product of all the 3, and that obviously has to be our polynomial. So in this case you have got it like this. Now you can write, if you want to obtain a polynomial, that will be like this, x, and I am writing x cube here, and this is nothing but sum. So I can write minus, and I can write here sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros and x square plus this term, if you look at, this is sum of the products of the zeros taken 2 at a time. Here we have out of 3 we have taken 2, out of 3 again 2, out of 3 again 2, and this is the product of 2, this is product of 2, this is again product of 2, and all together this is sum. So this term is called, it is sum of the products of zeros taken 2 at a time from a cubic polynomial. So this I can write here sum of products of zeros taken 2 at a time. The whole thing, sum of the products of the zeros taken 2 at a time and multiplied by x, and minus here I can write, this is product of zeros. Please do remember, this is alpha into beta into gamma is product of zeros. So if you are given with the 3 zeros of a polynomial, straight away you can write the polynomial like this. K, that is a constant, x cube minus sum of the zeros. you can write the sum of the zeros into x square term plus sum of products of zeros taken two at a time and into x and minus the product. So straight, if you want to write a polynomial when the zeros are given, this is the procedure. X cube minus sum of the zeros into x square plus sum of the products of zeros taken two at a time into x and minus product of the zeros.